Speaking of Samsung, they're doing something fun. I thought you might like this, Will. Teaming up with Adidas to put out some special edition stuff for the Galaxy Buds Pro.
Oh.
This is an Adidas Originals collab with the Stan Smith styling of the old school stuff. And what you see here is the green stripes, the white packaging, and the snapback style hat, which is actually the case for the Galaxy Buds Pro. They'll charge in that.
Yeah, cool.
This is going to be a Korea exclusive, South Korea only. Unfortunately, they're getting a lot of cool collabs. Samsung is able to string up deals in Korea. We've covered a couple of them. I like this type of thing. I just feel like it's fun. I feel it's just a slightly different take, you know?
Yeah, I like how the fact that there's no real Samsung branding on it. It's mostly Adidas. You know, you only see like the little Galaxy logo on the box, but then it's predominantly just green and white.
You're right. I bet you the
stripes.
buds still say Samsung, I bet.
Right.
But
yeah, I wish we had a closer look at the buds. Because they're, what are they? They're white too, right? And
I think it
maybe
depends.
chrome?
It depends which color you get. So even with this one, apparently, I think you can get in a few different colors. Let's see. You'll find Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro wireless earphones, which don't seem to have any Adidas branding, in a choice of Phantom Black, Phantom Silver, and Phantom Violet colors.
Oh, jeez.
And there is a special coupon to purchase a pair of Stan Smith sneakers.
Oh, okay.
The snapback case is made from recycled plastic, and the Buds Pro themselves are made from 20% post-consumer materials. Coming out April 7th. What's today? April 7th. Limited edition, 6,000 units, around $250 USD. Special, fancy edition.